Here's a quick guide to how you can sign PDF documents on your Mac using the Preview app in Big Sur. I hope you find this tip helpful. If you do, please do like and subscribe down below. That will really help me as I grow my channel and share more iPhone, iPad and Mac quick tip videos. Okay, so I've got a very important document here, and it's a PDF document. So if I double click on it, it will open in Preview on my Mac, and from here you can see it requires a very important signature in the middle. Now, I could print this off, sign it, and then scan it back in again, but really it's much easier to do it straight from the Mac. So on the top toolbar you're going to tap onto Tools, and then you're going down to Annotate. From here, click on Signature. At the moment I haven't got any signatures set up, so I want to go on to Manage Signatures, and straight away a new window will pop up showing the webcam and a very suspicious looking character. But this screen is really helpful, because what you're going to do is grab a piece of white paper, and using a pen you're going to sign that paper. You're then going to hold that up to your webcam on your Mac, and Preview will convert that piece of writing on the paper into a vector graphic image of your signature. When it looks good on the screen, press Done, and that will then add it as a signature into Preview. From here you simply click on it, and then you can drag it onto your document, you can position it, you can resize it, and when you save, that will be embedded in the PDF document. But there's another way of doing this as well. If we go back to Tools, Annotate and then Signature, and we go on to Manage Signatures, then we'll click on to Create Signature. Now again, when that webcam screen comes up, you can actually choose a different option here, and you can use your iPad or your iPhone, if you've got one on the same iCloud account, to sign using your finger or an Apple Pencil. So for me, I'm going to choose my iPad, and if I bring that onto the screen for you now, you can see a new Windows open on the iPad, and using my pencil I can quickly sign the signature, press Done, and that will send back to the Mac instantly. So now I've signed my very legitimate and not at all suspicious correspondence, I can then go File, Save, and close that PDF document. Then, whoever I send that to will have the signature embedded in the document as if you'd signed it on paper or straight onto the iPad itself. It's a really great feature, but it's quite hidden, so hopefully this tip has helped you discover another thing your Mac can do.